As a developer and not a designer, I love the ability to take a Figma design and let Copilot start building the app to the team's specs right away. Here, we've got a mobile app for managing recipes. I told Copilot to build that using Flutter and Dart. Using the Figma MCP server, it brought in the design context and got right to work, functionality available to any Figma user. I can see the app in my emulator and it looks good. I know we have plans to showcase related recipes, but the design team hasn't had a chance to build that out yet. I'm going to get a head start by asking Copilot to create an initial version. Copilot uses the existing styles and makes a couple of screens that fit right in with everything else. As a next step, I'd like to send that initial flow to my team so they can refine the experience. Because I have a full seat in Figma, I can ask Copilot to generate an added design back to the Figma canvas. With the help of the MCP server and Playwright, it generates the frame as requested via a browser window and adds it directly into the design canvas. I can share this out with the team as a starting point for further exploration and feedback. And look over here, the designer has already come back with final updates. Back to Copilot to incorporate those into the app. Now I can continue building the back end, taking another step towards release. Combined with Copilot, devs and designers can each explore riffs on the canvas and improve the handoff process. You can learn how to install the Figma MCP server at developers.figma.com.